Hi, maayong buntag. So for today's video naami diri sa ako ang auntie which is from Wellsport. Doon na sila sa city sa Auckland. So for today mo laag taog dako nga supermarket diri sa New Zealand and entire New Zealand. Usually makita nimo siya sa mga town which is mao na siya ang pack and save. Kung sa uban nga country like for example Australia, mao na siya ang Woolworths or Woolies or either Coles, mao na siya ang dako po dito ng mga supermarket. Daghan siya branches which is pack and save. So let's go. Diri po si Ate Nida nagtrabaho pack and save. So that is the grocery or the big supermarket where she is working with. So let's see how is it the same with the other supermarket from other countries. Ito karon. Sakay ito sa ilaha.
Past you.
Yeah.
Over double yellow lines, which is dangerous. I've seen that many times.
It's a bit different, no? In the Philippines.
So, ikaw dahil mag-drive te?
Oh,
Pagtanong si kuya. Oo. Mulupad na sa taan ni ngaron.
In the Philippines, seatbelt. What's that?
yeah.
But here, very strict.
Yeah, you must.
Oh, I'll turn that off.
Two, Newbury's offering support with love.
I remember once I was in the Philippines, I got on a jeepney.
Yeah.
In Manila, you're in a jeepney, and you know you're sort of stuck in traffic. And there's a man walking amongst their self. I had a big what do you call it?
pasok na tayo sa
Revamp?
State Highway.
Recently.
Ani?
Right there. A little short bit of 100 here. And 80 pages down there.
Wala na kakikulbaan. Ter. Madaga na ba yung sa tinidag sa gatos?
Naghanap yung takay mo, hindi diri nga lugar.
And 80 pages.
80K here. Yeah, just 100. Start 100K here.
Jump Valley.
Short time and then it drops down to 60 k's.
Okay.
On the town.
Madaga na kadrig 100 na.
Oh,
May 100 naman.
100.
Pero abot sa unahan, balik na po kag 60.
Oh.
55. So it's really jumped up.
Yeah, really good.
Oh, eh?
Wala, dili. Pack and save.
Oh,
Sa pack and save, wala pa man tagabot. Pero mo na ni patulong sa yang
Back road.
naraw.
Oh, there you go, straight on.
oh, straight on.
Oh,
So,
okay.
Mao naman kanang yellow ang color. Dala sa tinda. Sulod to niya dala.
How many cars in the car park at Pack and Save here? But early.
Is this pack and save?
pero mo niya ba sa pack?
Oh, ni Audrey, oh, kay mo agi ba nang bus stop dito. Ang color sa ilahang establishment. So, siguro kung sa Pilipinas ni like for example sa Davao kay murag save more. So, nata sa parking area. That is the most very hard work. So, mo ni ang trabaho natin nila diri. Trabahoan.
Dire dong.
Mo na ni ang ganahan mo gid na kung gusto nga inumon ba. Sa ni apple for orchard tube cider. Uy, na ni siya.
Ikaw, tiyan.
Sige. Sige, pag-istorya. Na. Manata.
Kulik na.
Wala yan, may gigan diri sa
Tarag among boy, oh.
May bawang.
Sa kuwan.
How can say? Ay, nara, magkuha na ta sa
Iya
mga
digit ka abri ba?
karga.